Alert weather team, they've already declared Tuesday as a First Alert weather day. Outside, not too bad on this Sunday night, but that's going to change in the next 24 hours. First Alert meteorologist Cutter Martin joining us now with that First Alert forecast.
And there are some positives here. Number one, we're very confident in the forecast. We know Tuesday is going to be the big issue day, and then we get a big break. And number two, the system will be moving through very quickly. It arrives overnight, and then it gets out of here during the day Tuesday. But while it's here, it could be pretty messy. Same system we were tracking this time last night, though 24 hours ago it was in California. Right now, desert southwest, First Alert, that system will track off to the east, and it will impact our Tuesday. Already some changes out the door tomorrow morning. Cold tonight. Temperatures down to near freezing just about everywhere. I think 34 downtown 7 a.m. Notice how clouds increase through the morning tomorrow, and that'll set the stage for rain to arrive Monday evening. So a brisk and cloudier daytime stretch on Monday. First Alert weather day. Widespread heavy rain, gusty winds, and that risk of severe storms Tuesday, followed by a secondary storm system. First Alert, more wet weather on the way Friday. We'll lay this all out for you hour by hour Tuesday, and more on that Friday system coming up in the complete First Alert 7-day forecast.
Cutter, thank you.